Hi, I'm Dave Molsinski with Sly Incorporated. In today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a pulse pipe in our standard STJ top-load dust collector. In addition, we're going to remove the old coupling and replace it with a new, heavier-duty Morse gripper coupling. Here we have a model of a Sly top-load STJ clean air plenum. As you can see, we have the internal pulse pipe connected to the external pulse pipe and cleaning mechanism and secured in place by a Morse coupling. To access the filter bags and cages, simply loosen the T-bolt on the Morse coupling, slide the sleeve over the pulse pipe, raise the front of it, and release it from the rear bracket. As I previously mentioned, we're going to replace the existing Morse quick-on coupling with a newer, heavier-duty gripper. If your gripper doesn't come with the gasket installed, install into the coupling as such. Depending upon the temperature of your gas stream, you may be using a low-temperature neoprene or a high-temperature silicone. Once the gasket is properly installed into the coupling, slide onto the pulse pipe, and now you're ready to reinstall into your dust collector. First, install the rear of the pulse pipe with the flattened end and pin into the rear bracket, while holding pressure on the pulse pipe against the back wall. Slide the Morse coupling over the outer pulse pipe. Again, while holding pressure against the back wall, tighten the Morse coupling to ensure an airtight seal. Thanks for watching today's video. And if you'd like to replace your existing Morse couplings with a new heavy-duty gripper coupling, call our aftermarket department at 800-334-2957 or visit us on our website at slyinc.com.